Hello everyone, welcome to my poster. My name is Chen Xue. I am a postdoc in Martin Cohen's lab. I study the neuronal mechanism of decision-making under dynamic belief. So in a natural setting, every decision necessarily involves two parts. The first is to establish a belief about what is relevant in the current situation, and secondly, to correctly solve the problem believed to be relevant. We adjust our belief as different task demands in environment arises and falls in time, like this squirrel monkey trying to forage the best fruits while at times stop and check if a predator is around. It is critical yet unknown how dynamic belief fluctuations like this would affect our perceptual decisions. On the other hand, uh, feedback to perceptual decisions in the past also update our subjective belief about environment in the future. This mechanism is critically important too, since unable to flexibly switch between tasks is a hallmark symptom for many neurodegenerative disease patients, or even healthy adults trying to work from home with kids. To investigate the neuronal mechanism for belief-based decision-making, we showed monkeys two subsequent Gabor stimuli, and they were required to discriminate either the spatial location change or spatial frequency change. Task demand implicitly switched between the two features over time, and the monkeys therefore needed to infer what is the current task demand and perform the perceptual task accordingly. So intuitively, belief and perception may be two separate functional modules in the brain. One takes in account the past experience and establish a categorical belief about the task environment, which further feed into the subsequent module that makes perceptual decisions accordingly. But we found our brain works a bit different from that. As our monkeys perform the task, we tap into these black boxes by recording from population of neurons in areas that are known to encode task and perceptual information. We found that even when the input and output of the two black boxes are fixed, the supposedly internal fluctuations within them still co-vary trial by trial with each other in behaviorally important ways. We show with behavioral and neuronal data that monkeys are better perceptual discriminators when they have stronger belief about the task. On the other hand, even when the visual stimuli and behavioral output of the perceptual black boxes are fixed, the trial-by-trial fluctuations in V1 responses still influences how belief will change in the next trial. We showed that a behavioral model that takes V1 variabilities into account does significantly worse if we shuffle the order of trials within the same stimuli and choice conditions. These results show that task belief and perceptual decision belong to one very integrated system distributed across multiple brain areas, and such a system should be studied as a whole for more holistic understanding of the neuronal mechanism for cognitive flexibility and decision-making in both health and disease. If you are interested in these data produced with the help of these wonderful people and organizations, come to my poster at 2002 and I'll tell you all about them. See you there.